Today we're going to be making a cocktail that definitely caused me a little bit of havoc. This is the Electric Mayhem. For this cocktail, we're going to start off with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And then, I don't have a jigger, please hold. The manager I've got. Then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then 0.75 ounces of Aperol. 0.75 ounces of Yellow Chartreuse. And then last but not least, 2 full ounces of your favorite brand of bourbon. Voila. All right. Now that we have all of our ingredients in our shaker tin, we're going to add ice to it. And then we're going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in our hands. All right. So remember, we used fresh lemon juice. So we are going to use our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer right into our coupe glass. Gorgeous color. All right. No cocktail is complete without a garnish. So we're going to do a dreaded lime. Oh, what is up with the lime? I don't know. I've got lime on the brain today. Hi. All right. Lemon twist. Beautiful. We're going to twist it. There we go. All right. There we have it. We have the Electric Mayhem. All right. I'm going to give it a taste. Ooh, interesting. All right. We're going to rate the cocktail, 5 being the best, 1 being the least best. Dog, stop running around the kitchen. For this one, aside from the rating that we'll do here, the flavors for this one, it's definitely kind of almost cinnamony, but you're going to be getting that from the Angostura bitters. Overall, definitely is a more spirit-forward cocktail. Definitely no sweetness to this one. It's definitely on the drier side, but still a very delicious cocktail. So for me, on a scale of 1 to 5, I think I'm going to have to give this one, I'm going to give it a 3.8. It's very good, but I don't think I would have a second one. I would definitely try it just because it's definitely one of those cocktails that's a little different, but it's definitely not one that I think I would get a second one. And don't forget, if you want to make this cocktail, ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right at home. Otherwise, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you make the cocktail, if you have Yellow Chartreuse, because I realize it's not in everybody's liquor cabinet. Make sure you let me know what your rating is on this particular cocktail, and I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers!